Hello students. So this is a Python program to sort a list of numbers by using bubble sort algorithm. So here bubble sort, why this name? Because the bubbles when bubbles comes from bottom in water in a fish tank or in a glass, we can see the bubbles expand, and when it reaches the surface of the water, it collapses. It becomes bigger, yeah. It expands and it collapses. Like this, in a bubble sort, so if you want to sort in ascending order, the biggest number accumulates on the right side, on one end of the list. That is on the right side of the list. So after each step, that is after each pass, you can say it is pass. The biggest number always accumulate on the right side. Then after second pass, the second highest number accumulates on the right side, just left of the first number. That is the biggest number. Okay, that means the second number accumulates just before the highest number, the second highest number. Like that, each and every number accumulates on the right side. So at last, this list will sort. Okay. So here I need to sort this number 62178 minus 4. These are not in order, unsorted list. So all these data, all these numbers I stored in a list. Then I need to find the length of list. It means how many numbers are there inside this list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6 here. N contains the length, the number of data in that list. Then no more swaps is a boolean variable. Here we need to set it to false first. Because no more swap means no swapping is needed. Okay, if it is true, what's the meaning of that? No swapping is needed. So in bubble sort swapping is done between each and every numbers in the list. For example, first 6, 2, 6 and 2. So if you want to sort in ascending order, the previous number is always smaller than the next number. If it is sorted in ascending order, that's the concept. Yeah. That means the first number should be less than the second number, then second number should be less than the third number should be less than the fourth number, like that. Understand? Because for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these numbers are in ascending order. So 1 is smaller than 2 years, 2 is smaller than 3 years, 3 is smaller than 4, 4 is smaller than 5, like that. Or we can say the next number is bigger than the previous number. Or we can say like that, that is 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2, 4 is bigger than 3, 5 is bigger than 4, like that. Yeah. So it should be in that order. So here in bubble sort each and every number, like for example, the first two numbers compares. If it is not in order, it swaps. So if swap is needed when if you compare two numbers, if those two numbers are not in order, that means if the second number is less than the first number or previous number, or we can say the previous number is greater than the next number, then we need to swap. In this case, 6, 2. 6, 2 means 6 is bigger than 2. Yeah. So we need to swap. Bubble sort, it swaps. 2 stored in the position of 6, 6 stored in the position of 2. Then it continues like that. Okay, then what? So 6 comes here in the second place. Yeah? So 6 and 1 then compares. Again, what happened? It's not in order because 6 is bigger than 1. So again 6 and 1 swap. So 1 comes here, 6 comes here. Like this, each and every data compares. If the numbers are in order, no need to swap. Okay. So no more swap means at first it is false. So no more swap is false. Okay. So when no more swap becomes false, at the end, what is the meaning of that? No swapping is needed means its list is already sorted. So Thus, we can exit from this while loop. So at first, it finds the number of n, length of this list, 6. Okay. No more swaps set to false. No more swaps not equal to true. Yeah, false not equal to true. Yeah, it's not equal to true. So it endures inside the while loop. Then no more swaps set to true here. Then what happened here? For by using for loop, it takes each and every data. For example, if j, it starts from j0, by default it is 0. 0 to n minus 1 is what? 6 minus 1 here, that is 5. 0 to 0, 5, here 5 means what? It's up to 4 only in Python for loop. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So swapping, for swap, comparison is needed. Not swapping, comparison is needed. First comparison between 6 and 2, the first and second element, then second and third element, then third and fourth element, then fourth and fifth element, the fifth and sixth element. So how many comparisons are there? 4 comparison. Yeah, first this, the first and second element, 1. Then second and third element, 2, second comparison. Then third and fourth element, okay, third comparison. Fourth and fifth element. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 comparisons are needed. So 0 to 4 means there are 5, yeah, because we start from 0. 0, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 comparisons are needed from 0 to 4. It starts from 0 to, j starts from 0, then from 0 to 4. Okay. So at first, what? List of 0 checks. What is list of 0? This 0 is x. This 0 means index values, index positions. So list of 0 means 6. 6 greater than 0 plus 1, 1. Yeah, it's greater than. So if the previous number is greater than the next number, then this is equal to swap. So here we use a temporary variable to swap. The first element, the previous number is stored to temp variable. Then the next element will store to assign to the previous element list position. Okay. Then the first element which is stored here, temporary variable, is stored to the next element's place. So this is the code for swapping. Okay. Then what? No more swaps is set to false here. So before here it's set to true, yeah, inside while loop. So it continues. This process continues. Okay, process continues for each and every step. Then after each pass, what? N value in decrement to 1. For example, here n is 6, yeah. Then it becomes 5. So after one, when one number sort on the right side. So at first, what happened here? 6 so will sort on the right side. Then we need only for comparison. That's why, because 6 is already sorted on the right side. Now need to change sort that 6. So after each pass, one element will accumulate on the right side after sorting. So we need not want to sort that element. So after each pass, we need to decrement the number of comparisons. That's why we need to decrement n equal to n minus 1. So after the first pass, n becomes 5. 6, n equal to 6 minus 1, 5. So here again 5 minus 1, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 comparison only. Then after that 3 comparison, 2 comparison, then only 1 comparison is needed. Okay. Like that, it compares each and every number, adjacent numbers, and if the previous number is greater than the next number, then swaps. If previous number is greater than the next number, then it swaps. Okay, then no more swaps set to false. So when will this loop exit? When all sorting finished. So how? For example, here no more swaps set to false. Yeah. Then what happened here? It comes here. Yeah, no more swap not equal to true. Yeah, this is false. So false not equal to true. True. Yes. So that's why we need to make it false to run again. Otherwise, it will not enter this while loop after one pass. Okay. So no more swap need to set to false. Otherwise what happened here? It is true. Yeah. We set it to true. So here when this line is not there, what happened? True not equal to true. That is false. So it will not enter inside the while loop. So we need to change this no more swap to false. Then when will this while loop exit? So no more swaps is false. Okay. So yeah, false not equal to true. That is true. that condition is true because false not equal to true. Then no more swaps equal to true is set to true. So when all numbers are sorted, then what happened for j in range n minus 1, then it enters. So this condition becomes false for all comparison when all numbers are sorted. Okay, when all numbers are sorted in order, ascending order, what happened? This condition becomes false for every comparison. So it will not enter inside this list. The control will not enter in this statement. That is if statement. It will not execute this statement. So what happened? No more swaps is set to true always. If every data are sorted. Okay. So what happened here? No more swaps is true. So it comes here n equal to n minus 1 and it comes here. So what happened? True not equal to true. Yeah, that is false. What's the meaning of that? No more swaps is true here. That means the control will not enter inside this for loop. Will not enter this if, because this condition is false. It will enter for loop, but it will not enter inside this if statements. This one after if statement, because this condition becomes false every time for each and every comparison. So no more swaps here. It is true, remain true. It will not change to false. Okay. So true not equal to true. That is false. So it exits from this while loop and print the list. So now lists are in sorted order. That's a theory. That's the logic behind this bubble sort. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. Look, all numbers are sorted. -4, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. It's arranged in sorted order. Okay. So a small change. If I need to sort it in descending order from largest to smallest, then I need to make a small change here. Look, this greater than, I need to change to less than. Then when I run this program, you can see one module. Okay, look, it's sorted in descending order, right? Okay. So this is the code for bubble program to sort list of numbers by using bubble sort algorithm. Okay. Thank you.